In today's episode, take one. Let's go. Local guy. It's a wrap. Welcome back to Max the Sensei channel, everyone. This is our final day of this crazy photo competition adventure. In this episode, we're shooting in beautiful Al Ain, and then we go to Hatta. Let's go to Hatta to search for the winning picture. Our final day of the shoot is full of problems. All right, so we ran into a little problem. And stress.
I will hang myself to a palm tree.
Exhaustion takes its toll on us.
Maha, you tired, huh?
Yes.
But we're not giving up on the 100,000 dirhams first prize. In the previous episode, we scoured the entire country in search for the winning picture. On day 1, we traveled to Corsica. On day 2, we traveled all the way to Al Dhafar region in Abu Dhabi. On day 3, we explored the beautiful sand dunes of Fliwa. We took as many photos as we could in the past 3 days. And now it's time for us to push it one last time on the other side of the country. Will we capture a winning photo today, or will we fail? Let the challenge begin. Episode 4.
4 a.m. in the morning, the story repeats itself. You guys ready?
Ready.
Day number 4, let's go.
I don't wanna wake up and let my dreams die. This moment I'll make it mine. Don't tell me I'm wasting time. I'll show you what I'm made of.
Alright, our final day of this crazy photo competition adventure started early in the morning with a road trip to beautiful Al Ain. We're ready to go back at it again for the last time. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. We just made it to beautiful Al Ain. They have a bunch of palm trees here everywhere, and hopefully we're getting some good shots today. Day number 4, everyone is working. Maha is working, Kim is working, Janusha is working. My friend on top of the tree is working. Everybody's working. Let's go kill it. Take 1. Let's go.
I love to wake up in the morning, but keep dreaming without wording.
Let's go, Kim. Let's go, Kim.
So we started shooting this incredible palm tree farm like there was no tomorrow. We were excited to find this incredible farm keeper that was working here, and we couldn't have been more eager to snap as many pictures as we could of him climbing trees and working.
No idea what I'm doing, honestly. I can't see the light. The sun is in my face. We're winging it.
I just wanna
Let's go.
lie in the sun.
Ready for today?
Yes, definitely.
Today you are our local guy.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
And finally today, after 3 days of searching for random farm keepers to pose for us all over the country, after the epic fail I had putting on the kandura, remember this? We're gonna win this competition.
This is a disaster.
Today, on our last day of the shoot, we finally realized we could get a friend of ours to pose for us and help us out. Our friend Shahad has made this shoot so much easier. Why didn't we get him earlier? I'll never know.
All right, local guy.
I just wanna lie in the sun.
This gorgeous place was just perfect for our shoot. We loved it so much as it was so lush and green. Here are some of the photos we managed to get here.
Lie in the sun. Yeah. My friends are sitting laughing, but I just keep on laughing. They're knocking on my door, but I'm knocking them down. They say I'm acting crazy, but I just wanna
Messi, thank you so much. Thank you, bye-bye.
Alright you guys, take number 2, location 2. It's the same park. This one is so beautiful and picturesque. Just look at the sunlight shining through all this vegetation. I'm gonna ask Yana to put the abaya on because we have some abaya as well. I'm gonna take some pictures of Yana right here with this beautiful, gorgeous light and gorgeous vegetation. Check it out.
Assalamu alaikum, my baby. Keep it
Alaikum
high.
assalam.
Looking good.
More to the right, more to the right.
This shoot turned out to be so much easier compared to the previous 3 days. But we still had some problems to overcome. Of course, there's always a problem. The abaya was good, but it was just too short on my wifey, and it was hard to get pictures without her sneakers showing. But we pushed through like we always do.
Okay guys, how's it going so far, Maha?
Perfect.
You got some good shots?
Yes.
How's it going?
Great.
Good shots?
Great, yeah.
Yeah? How's it going? Good shots?
Very nice.
Yeah?
Good shots? How's
Yes, amazing.
it going? Yeah?
Well, all right, location number 2 was great. Now we're gonna go search for some more locations, see maybe we can find something different. Wish us luck. Location number 3.
This incredible farm was really beautiful and quite huge. The vegetation was so lush and green, and the sunlight kept getting brighter and more beautiful, piercing through the leaves.
Sure. Tired?
No,
Liar.
no.
Liar.
It was the perfect setting for the types of photos we wanted to get for our competition. And here are some of the pictures we managed to get so far.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I think we are done with the shoot in beautiful Al Ain. This place is absolutely stunning. We got some good shots, I hope. Now we decided we're gonna go to Hatta and take some more beautiful shots with our model, with palm trees, with dates, and the mountains. Because in Hatta we have beautiful mountain ranges, so we can take some awesome shots, something different. So we got the shots, we're happy. Now, time to move on to location number 2 of the day, location number 2679 of the entire trip. Let's go to Hatta.
The drive to beautiful Hatta is always an incredible experience, but we were so tired from the non-stop 4-day shooting, we couldn't wait for this final day to end already so we could go home and sleep for like 2 weeks straight. We were that exhausted at this point.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, location number... Kim, what location is this?
I have no idea. Location number. I don't know. Day number.
Day number, we don't know. Location. What are we doing? I still don't get what. Why are we here? We are in Hatta, but why? How did we end up here? Today we went to 2 different locations, 500 kilometers from each other. All right.
We searched this country inch by inch for palms and farms and dates to win this competition.
We better win, man. If we don't win, I'm burning this camera. I'm burning the car. Burning your car. I'm burning everything, and voila. I'm going back home. Not coming here anymore, ever.
I will hang myself to a palm tree.
I will choke myself with dates in my throat. Like that. Yalla guys, last location, last day. Let's go kill it, man. Yalla, let's go!
So, this was our final push of the day. Exhausted and sleepy as we were, we pressed on searching for a few palm tree farms to shoot before the sun went completely down. Hatta is one of our favorite places in UAE, and it never disappoints with its incredible mountains and nature. We took as many photos as we could in 3 different locations, exhausted all our batteries, but we were happy to do it.
How was your experience, real quick?
It's amazing.
Really?
Yeah, yes.
What a liar. How was your experience? Ma, are you happy?
Yes.
But tired, huh?
Yes. Thirsty.
Thirsty and tired. Baby! Happy? Yalla, let's go!
Tired.
Push.
Final push. Final push. Last place. Ma, I've heard this before.
This was truly our final location of the day and of the entire photo competition. After 4 days of insanity, driving all over the country, this right here was the final destination. No more pictures after this. No more dates and palm trees for a while, that's for sure. Alright, now, let's see what kind of photos we managed to get today.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I think this is it. Khalas, we are done. Everybody is done. Kim, you happy?
Yes.
Baby, you happy?
Happy.
Mahe happy? Shahad happy?
Yeah.
Everyone is happy. I hope we win. I hope you like the photos. And it's a wrap. Woohoo!
And that's our final destination of the final day of this crazy photo competition adventure. So let's check how much work we've put in these 4 days. So we've traveled to 5 different locations across the country, covering 1,370 kilometers in 4 days. We shot 27 models at 14 different palm tree farms, and we snapped 3,229 photos in total. Holy moly, that's a lot of work. And now, here's the main question. After all this struggle, after all this effort, after all the pain that we went through, did we win anything?
All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's September 30th. Today is the day they're going to announce the winners. So we've been checking the Instagram page over and over and over again. They said the announcement is going to be from 4 p.m. till 10. So it's already 5:50 p.m. in the evening, September 30th. And they still haven't announced anything. We came here in beautiful Al Qudra to chill a little bit. Kim is coming as well, so we want to chill together a little bit. And yeah, we're waiting for the results. We don't know who's going to win. They're really pushing and stretching the announcement to make it more panicking for us. Baby, how do you feel?
Relaxed.
You feel relaxed? Do you think we're gonna win?
Yes.
I don't know, I'm not so sure. So let's see. September 30th, we're waiting for the freaking results, man.
خلاص
How are you, Mama? How are you feeling?
How should I feel?
They didn't announce yet, right?
But I guess we already know.
Let's see. We still have some time. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're chilling here in beautiful Al Qudra and waiting for the stupid results, man. Let's check if the results are in. What time is it, baby?
6:30.
6:30. Did they announce it?
No.
Not yet? All right, so it's 6:30. They haven't announced it yet, so let's wait. We'll check back in at 7.
Maha is on the phone. Maha, say something.
Maha, how are you, Maha?
Hi, Max.
How's everything?
Hi, Maha.
Yeah, no, I have too much stress, you know. I'm sad.
Don't stress, Maha. Don't stress.
We still have time till 10 o'clock, right? Let's see. It's not over yet.
Yes, still we have time.
Let's go. All right, guys, it's completely dark out here. My chair has broken. We're stressing so much. The chair broke. We said we're gonna check back on their Instagram account at 7:15. We still have some time. 7:15. We're checking back in, and we'll go back to their Instagram account to see whether or not they have announced the winners. They haven't announced anybody yet. What the hell is going on? All right, guys, 7:15. Let's check. Any announcement?
1, 2, 3. No, it's not refresh. I don't have internet.
Take my internet. Okay.
No, I have internet, but there is no connection.
All right, let's check.
No, nothing.
بابا برای فیلم داره میکنه دیگه چرا اینو از
Nothing.
God damn. When the hell are they gonna announce? They didn't announce anybody yet, right?
No.
Nobody yet.
No,
First place, second place, third place, nothing.
it will be all together. They will announce all together.
Guys, we'll check back with you at 8 o'clock. The stress is killing me. All right, guys, we cannot wait anymore. It's 7:40, right? It's 7:40. We have to have a sneak peek and check. The moon is already out. Okay, let's go. Let's check it out, baby. Anything?
Nothing.
Nothing. What time is it?
7:40.
7:40. Still nothing. Okay, we'll come back in 20 minutes. This is crazy. This is honestly insane. We are here in the middle of nowhere. It's super dark. The moon is out. The mosquitoes are biting us. We're waiting every 20 minutes. We're checking the stupid Instagram. They haven't posted it yet. I'll catch you guys in 20 minutes. 8 o'clock. Let's go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we made it out of the desert because the mosquitoes are super crazy, honestly. Really insane. So right now we need to check whether or not we won. Guys, what time is it? 8:05. Let's check. Kim, baby, let's go.
Let's go. Let's refresh.
No, nothing.
Nothing? God damn it. When are they gonna post? I don't know. There's no winner, no first place, no second place again, huh? We'll check back with you at 9 o'clock, yeah, because this is ridiculous. Every 30 minutes we're checking. Now we're gonna order something, and 9 o'clock we'll come back to you. And I think if there's nothing at 9 o'clock, then we lost. Let's see. All right, Kim, what time is it?
8:35.
8:35? Let's check. The results are out?
Not yet. I'm refreshing. Everything is out. Only ours left.
6
Only-
minutes. 6 minutes ago.
Let's wait. Did you refresh?
Ah, it's there. No, it's drawing. Sorry.
Still drawing?
Yeah.
Kim, you scared me.
No, it's a photo. No?
I do. Whenever there is like it's about
Oh,
Yeah.
shit, yeah,
It's photo.
Yeah,
We are not there.
drawn.
Photos out?
Drawn.
Yeah, photos out.
Did we win?
No.
Same as last year. Same.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment of truth. All the photos came out, and we are not in any one of them, so it is what it is. What to do? It's been a fun experience shooting with my people here, but it didn't work out, so hopefully next time, hopefully.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the result of this crazy photo competition. We unfortunately didn't win anything. No first place, no second place, not even the third place. Did that bother us? Well, yes. Yes, it did. I mean, look at these faces. These are not happy faces, but despite our loss, I gotta say we truly loved this competition. We loved exploring every corner of this beautiful country inch by inch in search for the winning shot. We loved shooting early in the morning. We loved meeting a bunch of incredible people along the way. And we loved making memories that would last a lifetime. Wouldn't it have been great to win something? Oh, for sure. But what we got instead was far more valuable than any prize money could buy. Hey, I want to say thank you for sticking around throughout these episodes. I hope you enjoyed binge watching them. Now that season 1 is done, wait till you see season 2 and season 3 of our crazy competition adventures in UAE. Oh yes, I have a lot of these. If you enjoy this type of stories, make sure to subscribe because I have a few more competitions I've participated in. I'm Max the Sensei. I thank you for watching and I'll catch you in season 2.